What is up, y'all? Welcome back to a bread sky. So I told you I was going to be eating, and I told you what I was going to be eating. See,
Look how he looking at this food on Maria.
he hungry.
Oh my god, the little boy like food.
Macaroni, good. We got this shell macaroni. Perfect. I don't need it. Now time for the ribs. Good. This is delicious. My mom cooked this. Good. Wow. So I am done. I hope you guys enjoy me eat my food, and now I'm going to get dessert. But yeah, give this video a big thumbs up.